انتقلت من تركيا فأمل أن تكون أصدقاء حميمين.
What are you doing in front of your room?
Why do you study here?
لقد مات والدي إذا لم يعد لدي سبب للعيش هناك.
Thank you, Ayla. Please sit in your comfy chair.
Assalamualaikum.
Hey! Turn on the notice! Hey, you don't have to be hardworking. Chamber, Bukit is very much for text. Yes, Ayla.
Instead you cannot English language.
The terrorists are in action. Already? Don't make noise. Please, Ayla. The terrorists!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
What the heck? She is so smart. So beautiful, can she?
Okay, there is singing your last. I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey Ayla, you don't have to act smart in front of the teacher because I'm the only one who win every year in the class. Here then. That's the first time, don't be gay.
When people tell it is hard.
It's not always people who you see as weak will always be weak. There are times when the person cannot stand the situation.
A few years later.
Ayla.
Calm down, your mother is fine. Just a love of two.
Thank you, Ayla.
Welcome. Where do you work now?
I don't have the job yet.
Do you want to work?
I want, but
work do you like?
I want to be a lawyer.
Sekar, you start work tomorrow morning at the core office. You register for work there and can immediately work there. Hope you are comfortable in your new job.
I'm sorry, Ayla, for the mistake happened in the past.
It's okay now. Then let's eat fast.
Thank you.
Messing with my head